Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best running shoes for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brooks Men's Glycerin Max 2 Neutral Running and Walking Shoe. The Brooks Glycerin Max 2 is the best running shoe for beginners, and one of the most comfortable shoes we've tested. If you don't yet feel like you have a fluid or easy stride, and you land with a lot of force, you'll appreciate the highly absorbent cushioning. The shoe's thick sole soaks up heavy impacts with ease, and if you naturally land on your heel, as most runners do, you'll be well protected. The interior is nicely padded, so your foot is wrapped in comfort. It's not just the cushioning that makes this a standout shoe for beginners. The sole is subtly shaped like a rocking chair to help your foot roll forward through your stride, so you can maintain steady momentum. Moving on at number 4, we have the ASICS Men's Gel-Nimbus 28 running shoes. If the high-stacked Brooks Glycerin Max 2 is too much shoe for you, or if you need a shoe available in wide or extra wide, then the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 28 is a great option for beginning runners. This shoe has 5mm less foam underfoot than the Brooks one, so you do get a bit less cushioning, but a more stable ride. It's comfortable for both walking and running, so if your workouts currently consist of a mix of walking and jogging, this shoe is a reliable companion. At number 3, we have the ASICS Men's NOVABLAST 5 running shoes. If you're starting to get serious about running, but also want to have some fun, the ASICS NOVABLAST 5 is a great option for beginners. It's lighter and lower stacked than the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 28, so you get less cushioning, but it still does an impressive job of absorbing impact. If you want a shoe that feels a bit more lively, you'll appreciate its bouncy foam and the gently rockered shape that makes the ride smooth but fun, with enough lateral stability to inspire confidence in each stride. This shoe is available in a variety of unique colorways, adding to its fun factor. At number 2, we have the Brooks Men's Ghost 17 Neutral Running Shoe. The Brooks Ghost 17 is the best budget running shoe for beginners. It doesn't have the plush cushioning or fun bounce of the ASICS NOVABLAST 5, but instead is designed to give you a firmer, more stable platform. Although it's not marketed as a stability trainer, this shoe is still very stable, with a reinforced heel counter and raised sidewalls that prevent your foot from rolling side to side as you run. It's not a shoe that will make you feel fast, but it will keep you on solid, stable footing. The brand has already announced the release of the Brooks Ghost 18, so you can find the 17th version at a discount as retailers make room in their inventory for the new version. And finally, at number 1, we have the ASICS Unisex SUPERBLAST 3 running shoes. If you're ready to start racing, the ASICS SUPERBLAST 3 is a great running shoe for getting to your first finish line. The foam under your foot has a lot more bounce than any of the shoes above, and the forefoot feels particularly springy when you're pushing the pace. This shoe isn't a carbon-plated super shoe like you see the pros wearing, but it can be a good bridge to get your legs and feet adapted to a livelier foam. That foam is quite soft though, so if your stride is uneven, the shoe can exaggerate any wobbles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.